In a safe little cave lived a scared little elephant named Tembo. Tembo was scared of many things: loud noises, high places, butterflies, and even his own shadow. One early morning, a fire started because someone did not put out their campfire properly. How dangerous! The fire spread quickly and scared all the animals. Zara was very curious. She went to look at the fire, but got trapped by the flames. She could not escape. How dangerous! Tembo saw the fire from far away. He felt very scared. He was extremely afraid of fire. Then he heard Mazu shouting, "Tembo! Zora needs our help!" Tembo started to cry. "I'm not brave enough. I'm too scared." That's when Mazu reminded him that it's okay to be scared. "Being brave doesn't mean that you are not afraid," said Mazu. "It means that you act even though you are afraid." Then Tembo remembered that elephants can suck up a lot of water with their trunks. Tembo ran to the river, filled his trunk with water, and rushed to help Zara. He sprayed the water over the fire, and the flames disappeared. Zara was safe. Later, as the sun began to set, it started raining, and all the other animals were safe. Thank goodness. That day, Tembo learned a very important lesson. Being brave doesn't mean that you are not afraid. It means that you act even though you are afraid. To watch more stories, just visit our YouTube channel. All stories are in the present, past and future tenses, also available in various languages. How great! Also, members of the Abuti Academy get access to workbooks and much more. Visit our website to find out more about all the language learning materials that we have to offer. www.abutisyllabus.com